Tired of losing track of items you want to buy on eBay? Learn how to save them instantly with one click. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add any item to your watch list in just a few simple steps. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to eBay. Just type in ebay.com in the address bar and hit enter. This is where all the magic happens. Now, you'll need to sign into your account. If you're already signed in, great. If not, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your email or username, then your password. And here's a quick tip. If you're on a shared computer, make sure you don't check the Keep Me Signed In box. That's just good security hygiene. All right, once you're in, it's time to find the item you want to save. Use the search bar at the top of the page. Type in whatever you're looking for. Could be a vintage watch, a rare book, a new laptop, anything. Hit enter or click the search icon. You'll see a list of results pop up. Now, scroll through the results and find the listing that catches your eye. Click on the title or the image to open the full item listing page. This is where you'll see all the details: the price, the condition, the shipping costs, and most importantly, the button we're looking for. And here's the really important part. Look for the button that says Watchlist or has a little heart icon. It might say Heart Watch, depending on which version of eBay you're using. Click that button, right there. It should change color or show a check mark to confirm your action. Now, wait just a moment while eBay processes that request. It usually happens instantly, but sometimes there's a slight delay. You'll see a message pop up saying something like Added to Watch List, or a little notification appears. That's your confirmation. Let's double check to make sure it actually saved. Go to your watch list. You can find it by clicking on your account name or the little person icon in the top right corner, then selecting Watch List from the drop-down menu. You should see the item you just saved sitting there, waiting for you. If you see it, you're all set. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully saved an item to your eBay watch list. No more losing track of that perfect find. Now you can come back anytime, check the price, watch for auctions ending soon, and make your move when you're ready. It gives you that peace of mind, knowing all your interesting items are saved in one place for easy access later. Thanks for sticking with me through this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick guides like this one. Happy shopping on eBay!